yung process ko ng pagpili? Why po si Rian yung as Miss Provinciana?
Apart from her being a very versatile actress, talagang actually nagulat talaga ako with how she portrayed my character. Kasi everyone I knew, like personally, they would say, oh my gosh, Rian really encapsulated or really captured your personality. Ikaw na ikaw yun yung nakita ko. And apart from that, she also supports social causes like, women empowerment as well. And she's very active in that area. So, yun yung two basic naging, or major naging factors na for choosing Rian. And she's really a star.
Actually, si Celine Dion sana yung pero
Si Rian na lang.
Char.
Rian, yung reaction mo naman doon, yung pinili ka ni Miss Virgin sa gaganap sa Miss Virgin.
I'm very flattered, absolutely, kasi para mabigyan ng tiwala ng isang tao, especially I'm not just playing a character na sinulat para sa akin, but it's her life and her feelings and her experiences na kailangan kong gawing klaro. So, just the fact na pinagkatiwalaan nila ako na kaya kong gawin yun, it feeds me as an actor. So, thank you.
One last na lang, kung mayroon kong parang, kumbaga sir yung Rian, sa Miss Provinciana, kumbaga mayroon bang similarity, masasabi mo, yung character mo sa
Well, if I have something in common with Marge, it's that pag nasasabihan ako na hindi kaya, and I mean, I'm in the industry for a lot of people to say negative things, di ba? It's very common for me. So pag nasasabihan ako ng hindi kaya, hindi bagay, hindi niya mapupull off yan, mas lalo akong ginaganahan. Mas lalo akong, nata-challenge ako at saka, alam mo yun, I just give myself a pep talk. Of course, may mga times din na naniniwala ako and then I feel, but it's about overcoming that eh. Parang yung sinasabi nila, be scared but do it anyway.
Yun lang, guys.
Thank you.